Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word havoc. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The hurricane wreaked havoc on the coastal town, causing widespread destruction and chaos. Havoc refers to widespread chaos or devastation, often resulting from a disaster or violent event that causes extensive damage and disruption. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.